For winter, I loved my blue setup, but now that spring's here, I'm looking for something a little more pink and cozy. Here's what I had in mind. First off, I'm going to use the Springtime Desk Mat, which is a new collab with Hypiotek. For the keyboard, I'm thinking a white TG67 and Candy Shop keycaps to give it a little splash of color. Gateron Hippo switches, which happen to be our most popular linear switch. And a few of these cute little pigs I got from Amazon that I thought would tie the whole theme together. Here's the end result with a quick sound test.